Extra long and right angle design. The extra long 6ft, 2 meter, length is quite convenient for long distance usage, especially when you lying on the bed or sofa while charging. Also, the unique 90-degree plug makes the cable more convenient when you're play games and charging at the same time. Sturdy cable body. The cable body adds double durable nylon fiber weaving. Never worry about to break down or other accident destroy. It can support over 140 pounds. Fast charging and syncing. Supports QC charging, 2.4A maximum, and data syncing, 480 Mbps maximum. We insist on using premium, thick copper wiring inside our cables to efficient syncing for all compatible devices. Full 1 year, buy with confidence. Cable length, 6 feet. Compatible devices. Samsung Galaxy A9, A8, A8 Plus, A7 2017, A5, A3, plus Samsung Galaxy A10e, A20, A30, A40, A50, A60, A70, A80, A95G Samsung Galaxy A30, A31, A32, A40, A41, A42 5G Samsung Galaxy A01, A11, A12, A21, A51, A71, A91 5G Samsung Galaxy M30, M30s Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra 5G Samsung Galaxy Note 20. The 8th of September 10, Ultra, 5G, active. Plus Samsung Galaxy Tab Pro, S, Tab S3, S4, S5, S6e, S7, X, Plus. Connectivity technology. USB-C to USB-A. Top reviews from the United States. Works amazing for such a great price. Charges my phone in minutes. The offset end makes for a longer lasting charger cord. All the others I have bought over the years always had a break in the wire over a few weeks of use. These offset ones give you the durability you are looking for. Will buy again.